Hello, all you truth seekers out there. I am Scott Will, and I am giving you an update on something that I am going to do. This is a journey that I'm taking. It's called a water fast. It is where you abstain from eating food and you drink only water. And you want to drink clean water, very, very clean, filtered water. You don't want to drink a bunch of toxins because that's bad for you. However, and I got my water right here, and I am doing a 9-day water fast, and I had already done a 14 before, so all you people out there thinking he's gonna die, no, I've already done a 14-day one, and this is a 9-day one, so I know what I can do, I know what to expect, and I'm detailing all of the changes in my body. And the reason why I'm doing it is because it is a reset of the body's system. It resets your gut system. It detoxes your body. It fixes any little mechanical issues. You start to get repair. After you get past day 5, your body starts generating stem cells. You start to repair things. You go into ketosis by day 3, and you are running off body fat. So you're burning body fat, and you end up losing weight. You start to look shredded in the abs. Kind of looking forward to that. And also spiritually, drawing closer to God, being able to fast, neglecting your body. And there's a bunch of other things that I'm looking to do with this fast. That's just to name a few. So yesterday was day 1. I made it through the whole day, and I started getting a headache. I was getting tingles, which all that's to be expected. And I tested my temperature when I got home that night, and it was 96.4. It's a little odd because I didn't read anything about body temperature going down, but definitely got cold chills last time I did it. I woke up this morning and it's 97.4, so it looks like it's coming back up, my body temperature. Maybe that's the transition onto ketones. Last time I got into ketosis in a day and a half, which is basically unheard of. Most people, it takes 3 days, and I got there a lot faster because I guess I don't eat that many carbs. I stay away from bread and pasta. So that probably helps with me getting to ketosis faster than the average person. So my energy is picking up. My mental sharpness is starting to pick up because I'm getting into ketosis. It's like running on rocket fuel. Body fat is it burns better than running off sugar. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. I will let you know updates of what's going on. Right now I feel really good. This is day 2. It's in the morning, and so I'll try to give you another update, let you know how I'm doing and what I'm experiencing, what I'm feeling. And yeah, water fast, look into it. There's a lot of health benefits. There's a lot of research on it, and a lot of people have reversed diseases by doing a water fast, but you have to be careful. Read up all the information on how to do it, and it's very important on knowing how to come out of one. You can't just go back to eating cheeseburgers immediately in a big giant steak. That'll just throw your body into a crazy spin, like pulling a rubber band and snapping it back. It's gonna create a lot of chaos and a lot of destruction. So you would want to start with watermelon and work your way up, juices and broths. Anyways, water fast, everybody look into it. Day 2.